Welcome, in front of me is a CUBOT R15, and today I will show you how to put the device into boot mode. So to get started, we need to shut off the device, hold the power key and then select power off, like so, and wait for the device to actually shut off. Yeah, so now that the device is off, we want to hold a volume up and power key together. So let's do that. Volume up, power key, and immediately we should see right after boot mode. Okay, so from here you'll use a volume up to navigate and volume down to confirm, like so. And from here you can boot the device into recovery mode, into fast boot mode, or just reboot the device back into the Android. And I'm gonna just select it to reboot normally and then confirm it with volume down. And as you can see, we're back in the Android system. So that is how you would enter and also leave the boot mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.